Julie Bishop from the Office of Community Outreach at Baldwin-Wallace College, and I have this super fun task of working with our Project Affinity students who do 8 weeks of service in the summer. And as part of Project Affinity, they have, each student does a learning plan where they try to set some goals for themselves and then have a final project showing how they progress towards their goals. So I'm here with Johnny Caputo, who was the student director of Project Affinity in 2010, and he's going to explain a little bit about his final project. Okay, Johnny, tell us about your Project Affinity final project.
All right, well, this here is my Project Affinity final project. As you can see, it is a chair, and kind of how I got to this point was some of my goals this summer were, I was working at the Near West Theater, kind of just helping build their set, do that kind of construction work, which I'd never done before. So one of my main goals was to kind of improve my skills in working with wood and building things. And also I wanted to kind of improve and really focus on the community within the house, of our 10 students within the house, and also getting them to kind of expand the community outside the house and seeing what kind of possibilities their willingness to get involved in the community and establish these affinities with the outside community really, what would really do for them. So essentially what I did was I went out to Home Depot, bought a bunch of wood, using my skills from what I learned at Near West Theater under the tutelage of technical director Josh Paget. Bought some wood, got some help from my dad, and constructed this chair. And while I was building this thing, I was also writing a poem to kind of try and get at the whole idea of what affinity can actually do and what its possibilities are for growth, for healing, for just kind of being able to make the world a better place. So I kind of took those two different goals I had and combined them into this one final project that hopefully sums up my summer experience and also the experience of all 10 members of our house in the summer of 2010.